Want to unleash your inner craftsman? Let's dive into woodworking projects you can complete today. First, build a charming birdhouse. Simple cuts, easy assembly, instant backyard upgrade. Ready to start? Next up, rustic coasters. Cut, sand, and seal. Protect your surfaces in style and add a personal touch. Feeling ambitious? How about a simple shelf? Perfect for books, plants, or displaying your favorite trinkets. Or craft a wooden phone stand. A small project with big impact. Stay organized and stylishly hands-free. Ready to transform wood into wonders? Start your woodworking adventure today.